So effectively that is my setup at the moment, guys. I mean, excuse the state of the crash helmet. It's a bit filthy. It does need a clean, but I have just bought a new Nolan helmet actually, which was on a super bargain thingy on eBay, I think it was, but that's not what this video is about. This is about the setup. There is the DJI Osmo Action 3. There is the arm that obviously fits into the helmet. Here is the little adapter that I was talking about before, and here is the Velcroed little microphone as well. I'll zoom out slightly. I'll get all this kind of fitted in and I'll show you exactly what I mean on how this sets up. So just in there, guys, I think you can see is a piece of Velcro. That obviously matches up. See if I can stop this helmet falling off. This obviously matches up with this part of the microphone here. You just basically stick it in there, which means that you don't have to have any wires, which was always very annoying to me because, as I said in the previous part of this video, I'm not sure about you guys, but I often take my helmet off, forget to unplug the mic, and then end up all tangled up. This basically means that you just pop that in there whenever you're ready to go out and you want to do some filming. It sits in there. It's never fallen off, and that's it, basically. That's as simple as it is. I'll set everything up so you can have a little bit of a better look. So there it is, guys. That is essentially the setup I'm using at the moment. I do apologise about the lighting in the kitchen at the moment. It's really sunny outside for a nice change, and I'm trying to do my best here for you. So as you can see, there is the little magnetic kind of catch that I showed you in the first part of the video. That is really simple. You just press in two little ends over here and that'll pop off, so you don't have to kind of take it out of its case as you would normally do on a GoPro or on a Casa or something like that. And there is the Type-C adapter microphone kind of module there, which connects to that microphone there, which you just saw me put inside the helmet. And that is effectively it. You've got your cordless microphone with this tiny little adapter at the side, which isn't really much of an encumbrance. You will need this little adapter though, because obviously when you've got the case on the Action 3, you can't get the Type-C into the slot, as it were. So I bought this tiny little adapter. It was about £1.99, I think. It does make it stick out a little bit, I suppose, but you know, I would still prefer to see that than a great big cord hanging out and going into your helmet that's going to get tangled up and all that kind of muckery. So I guess we better take this out and see how it sounds, how it videos, and whether it's actually worth buying one of these Action 3s from DJI, or are there better options? I don't think there are better options. As I said at the end of the initial video for this, 175 quid, it comes virtually brand new, and then you spend, I think it was 20 quid on the cordless mic with the adapter, $1.99 for the little Type-C adapter over here, a little bit of Velcro. You're good to go. Under 200 quid for what is supposed to be the best 4K camera you can get. Let's go and find out. So this is the setup now for the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera with the little Bluetooth microphone that we set up. I think it seems to be working quite well. I mean, obviously the footage is 4K 60 frames per second, and as you would expect, it is stunning. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the sound quality. I mean, I've obviously adjusted the decibel setting on the camera itself so it doesn't go madly into the red, because there's a little symbol on the side, as we've already discussed, which you can adjust the gain, as it were, of your microphone. But it just goes to show you don't need all this faffery that goes into motorcycle vlogging. You can just get yourself a relatively cheap Amazon Bluetooth microphone and a refurbished Osmo Action 3. Velcro the microphone inside your helmet, as I've done here. Pair it up, obviously, as soon as you switch it on, and off you go, basically. No more wires, which was always my little bugbear with the Acaso. Although the Acaso was okay, the microphone was never brilliant, and you always had the bloody wire hanging down. And I'm not a great fan of the GoPro Hero series, because even with the medium mod, you've got to have bloody wires hanging out and microphone adapters and all that kind of crap. And from here, as you can hopefully see, it's just a little tiny adapter in the side, and then you Velcro the tiny little microphone, which is all of, what, 4 centimeters inside your helmet. Charge it up before you go out, obviously, because it's got a little battery inside because it's cordless, and away you go. I mean, I'm not quite sure of the longevity of the power in the microphone itself. I guess we'll find out over time, because we'll carry on filming using the Osmo Action 3 with this Bluetooth mic setup. And if I do find any problems, then I will let you know. The only issue I found so far is, I mean, I know it's a pretty bloody hot day today, but within 40 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes of riding, constantly recording, it's overheated, which is one of the reasons I didn't buy the Hero 10, 9, 11 because of all the overheating issues. And lo and behold, I come out today, and admittedly it's 30 degrees, but the Osmo Action 3 has given me an overheating message, which was unexpected. I've not actually seen reports of that, but I'll keep you posted on how that pans out and if it's going to become an issue, because if it is, then I'll send it back, because it was bought direct from Osmo, as DJI as it were. But I'll have to do some more tests, because if that is going to be an issue, I obviously want to return it within a certain time frame, although it does have a 12-month warranty obviously, so I'm sure they'd accept it back. But I didn't realise it had stopped recording until I got off the bike just now, which, as I said, was unexpected. But anyway, that is the little setup I've got now, I think, for a budget vlogging setup. 4K 60 frames motorcycle vlog setup. I think that's pretty spectacular. I mean, it's sub 300 quid for top quality stuff, and so far I think it's brilliant. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Do you think it's a nice setup? Do you like the sound difference between this and the Akaso V50X? Do you think the footage is better? Or do you think it's just a waste of time and just get yourself a cheap Chinese one with a corded mic and have done with it? I'll be interested to know your thoughts. Anyway, that is it for our opinion, as it were, of the budget motorcycle vlog setup, a DJI Osmo Action 3 with a little Bluetooth microphone velcroed into the side of the helmet from Amazon. 290 quid, I think, something like that, all in. And that included the case, obviously, and I've just stuck it to the side of the helmet. And so far, yeah, I think it's working out pretty well. But as I said, let me know your thoughts. I'd be really interested to see that. If you haven't subscribed, then please consider doing that if you like this kind of content. We try to get a video out every couple of weeks. Give the video a like, a share, a thumbs up, all that kind of good stuff. It really, really helps, and I really would appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. It means the world to me. Try and continue growing the channel. But that's it. That's my thoughts and review, as it were, of buying a refurbished DJI Osmo Action 3 and a little Bluetooth cordless mic setup for motorcycle vlogging. So far it's working for me, but as I said, I will keep you updated on any future issues. From Budget Cars and Bikes, this is it for now. We'll catch up in a couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care now. Ride safe.